Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to create a stunning landing page in Wix in 2025. No coding needed, no tech skills required. Whether you are promoting a product, service, or just want a one-page site that converts, this guide is for you. Alright. Let's get started. First of all, head over to Wix.com, log into your account and go to your dashboard. Click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Wait for loading. Once you are inside the editor, we are going to create a new page just for our landing. Go to the top menu. Here you will see add elements, sections, wireframes, containers, layout tools, menus and search, embed or social, contact or form, decorative, media and buttons. Click on menus or pages. Click on add new page. Choose page or add a standard blank page. Click add and you can also edit the page name like landing page. Enter. Name it something like landing page, and we want this page to act like a focused funnel. So let's keep it distraction free. Click on three dots beside the page name and select hide from form. Uh, hide from menu. That way it won't appear in your site navigation. Next, let's design our hero section. That's the first thing visitors will see. Click on plus add icon. Stripe or classic stripe. Hmm. And drag it onto the page. Heading, get more clients today. Subheading, download our free guide and grow your business. Button, download now. Click the button, hit link and choose what happens when users click it. Maybe download a file, open a form, or go to another page. Now let's add your value propositions. Why should someone take action? Add another strip with columns. Use 2 or 3 blocks to highlight your key features or benefits. You can add icons, short text, and even small images. Social proof helps build trust. Scroll down and add a testimonial section. Wix has a pre-designed layout under Add. And select testimonial. Just customize the names, images, and quotes. Don't have client reviews yet. Use results, numbers, or anything. Endorsement or endorsements you do have. Let's give your visitors a way to sign up or contact you. Go to Add, Elements, then Contact and Form. Drag in a simple form like this. And customize it. Almost done. If you want this to be your main landing page, go to Menus and Search. Click the 3 dot beside your landing page and choose Set as home page. Or just copy the direct link and use it in your ads, emails, or bio links. Now hit Publish button at the top. And bottom, and boom, your landing page is live. And that's how you build a high converting landing page in weeks, all within minutes. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.